The very first thing you do is copy your stars onto cardstock paper and then cut out each star, just following the outline. So now that you've cut out your stars, each ornament will have two sides. The next step is to pre-fold each of the stars so that it'll be ready for assembly. The stars have these little tabs that say glue on them, and then you're going to use the point of the star to where it intersects as a reference. Everything will be pre-folded backwards. So the first thing is go ahead and fold back each of the glue tabs. So both of your stars will have the glue tabs folded toward the back. The design will be on the front depending on which ornament you downloaded. The next step will be to pre-fold from each point to the opposite side of the star. So the way that that looks is you fold it. You want to take your time here. Your kids may need help. This will make the difference between it being a clumsy looking star or a nice looking star. So make sure that you have the fold from the point to the opposite side and do that for each point on both of the stars. So once your star is pre-folded, there will be a crease from the point straight down to the opposite side of the star on each of the points. And then the glue tabs will have already been pre-folded down as well. And do that for both sides of the star. So now that you've pre-folded your star, you're going to get it ready for glue. And all you're going to do is flip the stars around, fold back the glue tabs again so that they're facing in the inside. Do that for each of the stars. Take your time. Now you don't need a lot of glue, but you're just going to add a little bead of glue, craft glue, totally works, a little bit of glue on your tabs. If you're not glue crazy, you can actually put a little bit on each side. If your kids love glue, you only need one side. Now that the glue is on the tabs, you're going to turn the star around and you're going to attach, you're just going to lay one star on top of the other, lining up the glue tabs. Oh, and you do need glue on all of the tabs now that I'm putting this together. And all you're going to do is just kind of pinch the star together where the glue is. And then you're going to just hold it or lay it down to dry. It doesn't take long once it's all put together. Now your fingers are going to get sticky, and if there is a design printed on the star, then your fingers can make it messy. So you want to keep your hands as clean as possible, maybe have a little wet rag nearby. So you get all the tabs together, and then you set the star to dry. You're almost done. Once the star has dried, all you're going to do is carefully hold the star from opposite sides, and you're just going to kind of poof it, gently pressing in the middle. You're trying to get the point to the opposite side, this pointed side of the star, to stick out, and it turns your star into this really beautiful three-dimensional ornament for your tree. In order to attach it to your tree, you can just put the star directly on the tree, or you can even thread a little bit of a ribbon or a string through the top, and then you can loop it over the branches. And that's how you assemble your three-dimensional star ornaments. follow the links in the descriptions so that you can see the different patterns of stars that I have available for you.